is 앤디킴. Today we're gonna learn minor triad. Triad is composed of 3 notes and the notes are placed in certain interval. To find C minor triad, start on C and move up by 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So you're playing C and E flat. Now, from E flat, move up again by 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're playing C, E flat, and G. This is C minor triad, also called as C minor chord. So the intervals of minor triad are 3 steps and 4 steps. If you keep the same interval, you can find minor triad in any place. So now, we're gonna find D minor triad. As you know, start on D and move up by 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. You're playing D and F. From F, move up again by 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're playing D, F, and A. This is D minor triad or D minor chord. Start on E and move up by 3 steps. 3 and 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is E minor triad. Same way. Start on F and move up by 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. F minor triad. On G, move up by 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. G minor triad. On A, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. A minor triad. On B, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. B minor triad. Alright, today we learned about minor triad. Keep on practicing and I'll see you next time.